Blessings, 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 blessings to you, to you, to you. I just want to get out of my system. Welcome to the Love You channel. Yes, indeed, sweetie. Welcome to the Love You channel. I'm so grateful for my subscribers. I don't know what to do. I wish I could just take my hand and make it huge and go, thank you. Whatever, right? A big thank you. Thank you so much for all of my subscribers for keeping this channel alive and keeping the love you know what I'm saying? And the love you, all right? So it's love both ways. Definitely. I love you guys. Welcome, 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 my beautiful subscribers. All right. This this message is for all of my beautiful blessed. Blessed. Did you hear me? All right. Yeah, this is from all of my beautiful blessed Aquarius, okay? Aquarius, Aquarius. All right? This is for my beautiful blessed Aquarius. You heard me? Okay. Now for my new Aquarius, come on in. Come on in. We got all that cake with the cookies, cake, pie, refreshments on the right. We have the restrooms on the left. We have the water fountains in the back. You heard me? I didn't want to stutter. Okay, you guys, let's get down to the nitty gritty. We got to see what's going on, okay? I'm going to sprinkle some more because we really want to keep this ball rolling for my beautiful, blessed Aquarius and see what's going on. All right, Aquarius? Aquarius, yes, indeed, it's waiting. Whew, that was nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, Aquarius, we're getting straight down to the romance read or love read, so to speak, and see what's going on, okay? For my beautiful, blessed Aquarius, let's see what's going on here. Divine Spirit, Archangels in the universe, what message do you have for our beautiful, blessed Aquarius? Divine Spirit, Archangels in the universe, what message do you have for our beautiful, blessed Aquarius? Divine Spirit, Archangels in the universe. Oh, okay. Divine Spirit, Archangels in the universe, what message do you have for our beautiful, blessed Aquarius? Okay. I'm going to do that clarifier. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we got 3 here. Oh, can't see. Why you can't see? Why you guys can't see? Why I got to put it all the way back there? All right, you guys. Why I got to put it all the way back there? All right. Okay, Aquarius. Divine Spirit knows that your spirit is awakened and aligned from that number 9. However, Divine Spirit is sensing a cheater, okay? A cheater, all right? A cheater. This cheater brings nothing to your table. All right, they actually risk your spiritual growth because they have you focused so much on things that are detrimental to your spiritual growth. All right, this is a person who's so dry. They don't have anything to add to your life. All right, to your growth. You get it? Okay. Divine Spirit wants you to focus on love of self and family. Kaput. Through this number 6, because that number 6 is shaped like a noose, my beautiful Aquarius. That number 6 is shaped like a noose for a reason. And this person is focusing you outside. They have you focused on other things that do not help your spiritual growth at all. It is detrimental to your spiritual growth, whatever they have you focusing on. Okay? My beautiful, blessed Aquarius, please hear me out. All right? Divine Spirit, Archangels, and Universe would like for you, my beautiful, blessed Aquarius, to focus only on love of self and family. Okay? This person is dry and a cheater. They are dry and they have nothing to add to your life, and a cheater. Okay? Later on, I have some other cards that I incorporated for the married persons. For the married person, don't get bottled up, please. This is more for that person who's really out here and needing that safety. However, separate cards that Divine Spirit has had me incorporate for the married ones, okay? So, with all due respect, this is for ones that's out here that Divine Spirit needs protection, okay? All right. Okay. My married couples do need protection. However, Divine Spirit has a separate entity of energy that directly goes into this card, okay? Divine Spirit has different blessings in this card. All right? These are divinely guided cards, all right? This person, like I said, is a cheater. They're very dry. They have nothing to add. They hype up everything like it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. We gonna be, you and me is like that. We. You and me, we could be. It's a hype person. They like to hype up everything like it's gonna be like that. You know, when we get our thing, when we get our place, when we do our thing, I'm about to give you my keys. That type of thing, okay? But no worries, because Divine Spirit is, through that number 5, sending you positive change, okay? Divine Spirit is sending you positive change. My beautiful, blessed Aquarius. A dry hype person, nothing to add, and a cheater. And they're trying to hype up the fact that they hear bells, okay? They're trying to hype up the fact that they hear bells, that they want to marry you. They're hyping up the fact that they want to marry you. It is all a hype. This was the card next to the marry card, okay? These two are connected. These two are connected, and it's all connected. You follow me? So the clarifier is connected to the first card and the last card as well, of course. All right? Cheater hearing the bells, right? All right? However, the hype was next to the bells, okay? This person also wants to marry you, bottom line. But they hyping it up. I don't want to do that like that. I don't, Anyway, they don't want to see me. I'm telling you right now, because I'm a different entity. I love hard, but I don't play. You know what I mean? Okay, let me get on this right here. Divine Spirit, Archangels, and Universe. What clarity do you have for my beautiful, blessed Aquarius? What clarity do you have for my beautiful, blessed Aquarius? And what clarity do you have for my beautiful, blessed Aquarius? Divine Spirit, okay. Okay. Divine Spirit, Archangels, and Universe. What clarity? Is it turned in? Is it turned? It's turned. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's going on with the cheetah. Forgive me. You got a divine spirit. I love you. Anyway, birds are actually chirping when they crap. You hear that? You heard what they're saying? Let me help you out with beautiful Aquarius. I love you guys. Believe me, I do. You know what I'm saying? The Love You channel is for what? Come on, why did Divine Spirit create this channel? I've always been a messenger, but I love the message when it's given this way. So blessed and direct. However, why did we create this channel? To prepare for what? Prepare for spiritual war in times of what? Spiritual peace. Okay. All right. The cheater. Clarify for the cheater is the birds are actually chirping when they crap a load into a crowd. So you remember I was saying the hype man, but the whole time they crapping on you. All right? This is so deep and blessed. Divine Spirit is giving my beautiful Aquarius straight head up. Okay? I'm going to check the number on this crap card too. But this is very valuable, okay? My beautiful blessed. Blessed by the best Aquarius. Okay, yeah. That's a 2 and a 5, which equals that's a 3 and a 5. Okay, everything is connected. And Divine Spirit is sending you a positive change. It's a number 35 on there. Yes, indeedy, sweetie. And that number 35 still equals abundance because you're going to be abundant regardless. However, this is a real message from Divine, okay? They can still sing and hold and do whatever and still crap on you. Isn't that something? Man, oh man. Okay. The dry with nothing to add, okay? Man. You wish were healthy for you. Yeah, you wish this person was more healthy for you. Bigger, bigger, boo. But the angels are sending you everything you need through this number 4. It's double 4. The angels are sending you double love, double support, double security, double comfort, double confirmation through the Most High. Divine Spirit of Divine is right there with you, walking this crap walk. You hear me? All right. So it's right here in plain. This person is dry, but you do wish it was healthier for you. You wish it was different. And I know you do. And that's that number 44, if you could see. Oh, my finger in the way. That number 44, if you could see it. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, you really wish it was healthier for you. Dang, man. Yeah, I'm like you. That's all right, because Divine Spirit and the angels are sending you everything you need. It's okay. Yeah, they usually the hype people are usually rip-offs and robbers. You ain't never lied. Yep, Divine Spirit is sending you the number 3, which means everything is connected, mind, body, and spirit, okay? However, that 0 is a new beginning. And this number 5 is positive changes on the way. You see that. However, this hype person is there to rip my baby off, all right? My beautiful Aquarius, watch your coins and watch your loins and your coins and your, yeah, that's it. Okay? And then that, see, Divine Spirit is sending you that, number is that? Yeah, the number. Okay, Aquarius A. Yeah, the number 30, I just wanted you to see, okay? To clear it up. Yeah, it's a rip-off. This dry, nothing, this cheater, nothing, it's nothing but a rip-off. Hype man, all the same. Okay, all the same. Forgive me. This hype is nothing but a ripoff, a waste of time. Okay, I hear the bells. Show you right. You guys, golly. I can't even. Man, if I laugh out loud, I'm waking up people in a coma. That's how funny this is right here. Oh my goodness. I hear the bells, like the hype person, the cheater, the liar, the crapper, sitting up here. Oh my goodness. This clarifier says, this is something Snow White said. I hate someone, I want to marry you. This is something Snow White says when she stumps her toe. Look how many dwarfs she got. Like, what you talking about, Mary? Mary, what? Oh my God! Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta laugh. Please laugh. And something Snow White says when she stumps her toe, but look how many she has. She ain't nothing but a. No, I can't say that because, but what I'm saying is, you know what I'm saying, you guys. Please help me out here. Don't let me die. Snow White look back at seven dwarfs. Seven. All right. And did you hear the bells when she stubbed her toe? Oh, what? Only when she stubbed her toe. Only when she stubbed her toe. She ain't trying to get married. They ain't trying to hear no bells for real. That's just something she say when she. Oh, okay. So your person hit a milestone in their life. They kind of hit that financial boom or something like that, and then they want to be married, or they hit that health boom. You know what I mean? Because like, believe it or not, that's just how it goes. Sometimes, yeah, you heard me. All right, so that's the only way Snow White did it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying, you guys, reality is what it is, and divine spirit is sending you that. Ooh, the number 50, positive change. So don't worry about anything. You had positive change at the beginning. You got positive change on the end. Yes, indeed, sweetie. That is something Snow White says when she stomp her toe. I hear the bells. I hear the bells. Well, there you have it, you guys. So if they stomp their toe, if it stopped if their flow is stopped in some way, it stopped their flow. Now they want to find something to, in other words, what do you call that? Take hostage. You know what I mean? You just a hostage. Okay, I love you guys. I do. I really do. I really do. And thank you again for supporting the Love You channel. If life lasts and death pass, you will see me again. And I always say that for me. However, be well and be safe, my beautiful Aquarius, okay? Peace and namaste. If you like a personal read, my email address again is M as in Mary, A as in Alpha, M as in Mary, A as in Alpha, WHICHAWAY at gmail.com. Peace and namaste.